Thursday. All right, so this is the CBA first 9 weeks review part 3. And I left off on this question here. So we're doing 75 equals 3 times the quantity of -6 n minus 5. Okay, so one of the first steps here is to distribute the 3 to everything inside the parentheses. And you'll get 75 equals 3 times -6n minus 3 times 5. And then once you solve that, once you multiply those, I would suggest that you add whatever this product is to both sides. So add 3 times 5, multiply though, don't actually write 3 times 5, to both sides, then divide by your coefficient of x. Okay, the next problem is 3/10 x minus 12 equals 4/5 x minus 5. Find a common denominator and multiply. Multiply everything by that common denominator. So your common denominator is of 5 and 10. Next question is 10,000 plus 50x equals 15,000 minus 150x. Separate your sides. For this one, I would start with my smaller value or smaller coefficient of x, which is 50. So I would subtract 50x from both sides. And then if I start with this one, my second step has to be with the other side, and it has to be with a constant. So then I would subtract 15,000 from both sides. And then I would divide by your coefficient of x. Next question. Whoops, my tutorial dates. 40 minus x equals 4 times -3 minus 6x, close parentheses, plus 6. So I have to distribute the 4 here. 40 minus x equals 4 times -3 minus 4 times 6x plus 6. I will have like terms here. These will be like terms and these will be like terms. So I would need to combine the like terms. Then I would add or subtract a constant or a variable first. I would separate my sides. And then I would add or subtract a variable or a constant next. And then I would divide by my coefficient of x. All right, number 6. It says Donna makes $9.75 per hour at her job. Kaylee makes $4 per hour at her job, and she receives a 25-cent raise each month. Which inequality could be used to find the number of months it will take for Kaylee to earn at least as much as Donna per hour? At least. So I need Kaylee to be at least Donna. Kaylee is $4 per hour and a 25-cent raise. Donna is $9.75 per hour.
Coach Emmons, can you please report to your morning duty? Coach Emmons, please report to your morning duty.
Number 7 says Barrett is ordering t-shirts for his school student council. Company D charges a $30 design fee plus $6.25 per shirt. Company E charges a $12 design fee plus $9.75 per shirt. Which inequality can be used to find X, the minimum number of t-shirts that can be ordered so that the total cost with Company D is less than the total cost of Company E? So Company D is less than Company E. Company D is $30 design fee plus $6.25 per shirt. Company E is a $12 design fee plus $9.75 per shirt. And then number 8, the situation. Which of the following situations could be solved by using the inequality shown below? And the inequality is 9 plus $1.25 X is greater than 14 plus 0.75 X. So this is where we need to see 125 per, for each, for every, and this is where we need to see 75 cents per, for each, for every, and then we need to start with a 14 or add 14, and here we need to start with a 9 or add 9. Okay, so these are my initial fees, and then this is what the rate is being added to it. All right, the new due date for this is going to be Friday, which is October 21st in Skyward. Have a great one.